Hey everybody, and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to download Kahoot so that you can play today. First, we're going to start off by opening the App Store. We're going to type in Kahoot, K-A-H-O-O-T. Then, for me, since I already had it downloaded, it's going to show up a little cloud. For Androids, it may say download, but on Apple, it says get. So you're going to press that, and it's going to show you a little download button. And then press open. And then it's going to take you to Kahoot. It says welcome. Press next. And then press as socially. And then type in how old you are. And that's it. Then you're going to type in game pin so that you can join whatever game you want. So for the game pin, the host is going to tell you what the game pin is. It may show on his desktop, so don't need to worry. He'll show you that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.